Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Arshi. Today we will learn about chapter computer hardware components. Computer comprises of two components, software and hardware. They work together to make the computer function properly. Now, software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. It is intangible, which means you cannot touch it. Some operating systems and word processing applications examples are Microsoft Windows, Linux, MacOS, Microsoft Word, and Google Docs. Hardware. It refers to the physical components and electronic devices that make up a computer system or any technological device. It is tangible, which means you can touch it. Now, hardware is divided into two types, internal and external hardware. External hardware components are known as peripherals. They are attached to a computer outside the CPU, Central Processing Unit box, and they are of three kinds. First is input device. They are used to give instructions to the computer. They convert data from the real world into a form that the computer can understand. Keyboard, mouses, and scanners are examples of input devices. Output devices used to show the results of the information processed by a computer. They convert data from input and other devices into a form that can be understood by humans. Some examples are monitors, printers, speakers, the third is storage devices. They are used to store data and programs so that they can be accessed later. They are used to keep the data even when the computer is turned off. Some common storage devices include such as hard drives, CDs, compact discs, and DVDs, digital versatile discs. Now let us learn more about these devices. Mouse. It is an input device. It controls a pointer or a cursor on the screen. It has three parts. Left button. It is used to click, select, drag, or double click. Right button. It is used to display additional information on the computer screen or properties of an item. Scroll wheel. It helps to move a page up or down. There are mainly two types of mouses, mechanical and optical mouse. Mechanical mouse has a metal or rubber ball beneath it that rolls on the surface below when we move the mouse. The movement of the ball is detected by the sensors inside the mouse. This information is used to move the cursor on the screen. A smooth and clean surface similar to a mat is critical for smooth functioning of this type of mouses. Optical mouse. It uses a light source, typically a light emitting diode LED, and a light detector. To detect the movement of the mouse, the light detector measures the amount of light that is reflected from a surface, and this information is used to move the cursor on the screen. Keyboard. It is one of the main input devices for a computer. A keyboard is made up of buttons which are called keys. These keys can be classified into various groups of keys based on their uses, such as alphabet keys, numeric keys, control key, function keys, and navigation keys. We can also use a combination of multiple keys to perform an action. These combination of keys are called shortcut keys. Printer. A printer is an output device that is used to copy digital information like words or pictures on a piece of paper or software as a PDF or .xps file. A printer is an external hardware device of a computer. The digital version of the information is called a soft copy, and the printed version of the information on paper is called a hard copy. A computer can work with or without a printer, but a printer can be useful. There are two main types of printers, impact printers and non impact printers. Impact printers create images through a direct contact by striking an ink-soaked strip against paper. They are relatively inexpensive, but they can be noisy and slow. Dot matrix and daisy wheel printers are the most common types of impact printers. Non-impact printers. They create images without making a direct contact with the paper. They are quieter and faster, but they are more expensive due to their high quality output.